Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this lecture we'll see for loop in Java. So for loop is basically a powerful entry control loop. So in just like another loop, it has an additional advantage that in this for loop it can combine the initialization condition, the test condition, and the increment condition in a single loop statement. As you can see in this example, I have taken sum of n numbers, and in the for loop I have taken the logic of I've initializing the int value to I. So first it goes to initialize I, then it checks the termination or input condition of basis of input. So if user enters 3 value, it will initialize up to 3, 4 it will iterate up to 3 or a 4 and so on. 5 less than input is the test condition, and after that it's the increment condition is there I plus plus. So all the logic is embedded in the for loop. So I've taken the sum of first n numbers. So I've taken the input from the users. So user might encode 3, so it will bring sum of first 3 numbers. Suppose 10, sum of first 10 numbers. Suppose 5, then it will print sum of first 5 numbers. So let's, for example, I will check the condition and I'll run the program. So yeah, as you can see on the screen, it is inquired what input you require. Suppose I enter 4 over here. Let's see what it prints. Yes, rightfully it prints the 10 because as per the logic, 10 is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And 4 plus 3 it goes to 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. And so correctly the answer is 10, as you can see in the screen. It is printed 10 over here. So this is about for loop in Java, basic for loop. This is basically a basic for loop, and also we do have enhanced for loop. I will explain in the next lecture on that. So also there is some things that you need to consider over here. So if you mention all the termination conditions in a proper way, then it's okay. The loop will iterate fine and give you the correct output. But if you print give some absurd conditions or not terminate a proper condition, it will also goes into infinite loop. So if I include only these two, so look over here, I have just mentioned two semicolons over here. There is no initialization condition, no terminal condition. Means it indicates whatever the block of statements you may include within the loop, it may print infinitely. So just for demo purpose, I will comment the rest of the code over here. So it's not needed over here, just one. Now if I print some hello Java on the console, and if I just clear it and I try to print to it, you will see that it will print infinitely, and I need to terminate program forcefully. See, it's going on loop. It's infinitely iterating the over the condition hello Java. It's going on printing. So yes, and I just terminated the server instance. So this is about for control loop. So you also need to keep in mind that yeah, the initialization and termination condition is necessary to properly the loop to function. Otherwise it may end up into infinite control loop. Don't worry about the source code. I mentioned it in the link attached to the video. Do keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Move to command view for core Java basics. Bye for now.